Hello students, welcome to all of you. In last lecture, we have studied the Kepler's laws of motion and Newton's universal law of gravitation. Today, we are going to study the Earth gravitational acceleration, or which is called as acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, which is denoted by symbol small g having value 9.81 meter per second square. Now we are going to obtain the formula for this value of small g, and we are going to calculate the value of this small g, which is 9.81 meter per second square. Now we know that Earth exerts a force on every object. This force produces acceleration. We know that according to Newton's second law, F is equal to m into a. When we exert a force on any body, it produces acceleration in that body. Similarly, Earth exerts gravitational pull on the object, due to which it produces an acceleration. That acceleration is called as acceleration due to gravity, or Earth gravitational acceleration. Now, to understand the Earth gravitational acceleration, let's consider Earth is in spherical shape, having mass capital M. Capital M is the mass of Earth. Capital R is the radius of Earth. Capital R is the radius of Earth. Capital M is the mass of Earth. Now, when we place any object on the Earth's surface having mass small m is the mass of object. Now, then, according to Newton's law of gravitation, every object attracts to every other object. This Earth exerts attractive force on this, or gravitational force on this object, which is given by first gravitational force between Earth and object is equal to, what is the gravitational force? We know that gravitational force is directly proportional to product of masses of these two objects and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Therefore, we can write gravitational force between Earth and object is equal to G, where G is the universal gravitational constant, into capital M, mass of Earth, into small m, mass of object, divided by square of the distance between them. The distance between these two objects, center of Earth and object, is nothing but the radius of Earth. Therefore, gravitational force between Earth and object is nothing but Gmm upon r square. Let's consider the first equation. But when the object is on the Earth's surface, the gravitational pull acting on that object is nothing but the weight of that object acting in downward direction. When we stand on the Earth's surface, the Earth exerts gravitational pull on ourselves. At the same time, due to which we exert weight on the Earth's surface. Now that weight of object is nothing but, or weight of object capital W is equal to nothing but mass into mg. Weight is equal to mg. Let's consider this equation number second. But we know that weight of any object on the Earth's surface is nothing but the gravitational force exerted by that Earth on the object. Therefore, comparing this equation first and second, we can write weight of object Therefore, we can write weight of object is equal to gravitational force. Gravitational force. Therefore, what is the weight of object is nothing but mg is equal to, what is the gravitational force? Gmm upon r square. R square. Now, this small m get cancelled with this small m. Therefore, small g is equal to capital G into capital M upon r square. This is the required formula for acceleration due to gravity. Small g is equal to capital G into capital M upon r square, where capital G is nothing but universal gravitational constant having value 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Capital M is the mass of object, mass of earth having value 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram, and capital R is nothing but radius of earth, which is equal to 6400 kilometer or 6400 into 10 raised to 3 meter. Now, when we put all these values, value of acceleration, value of universal gravitational constant capital G 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, mass of earth 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram, and radius of earth 6400 into 10 raised to 3 meter, then when we calculate the value of G, it becomes as G is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity. Now here, the value of universal gravitational constant capital G is always remains constant. The mass of earth always remains constant and radius of earth always remains constant. Therefore, value of acceleration due to gravity small g always remains constant, which is 9.81 meter per second square. ना शिकताना बरोबर म्हणजे कॉन्फिडन्स हे येत नाही ते दिसलं का एकदम भारी होतं समोर बघ सर. Now we have studied the earth gravitational acceleration or acceleration due to gravity small g is given by the equation g into m upon r square, where g is the universal gravitational constant, m is the mass of earth and r is the radius of earth. All these quantities are constant, therefore value of acceleration due to gravity is always remains constant, having value 9.81 meter per second square. But there is slight change in value of g on the earth's surface. When we consider the earth's surface, the earth is slightly flattened at the pole. Here is the pole, here is the pole, and this is the equator of earth. Equator of earth. Now our earth is slightly flattened at the pole while slightly bulged at the equator. Now due to which the radius of earth is maximum at the equator while minimum at the pole. Now due to this change in radius, there is slightly change in value of acceleration due to gravity at the equator and at the pole. Now when we consider the equation g is equal to g into capital M upon r square. Now when we go at the pole, the radius of earth is minimum, due to which here the radius is at the denominator. Therefore, as the denominator decreases, the value of acceleration due to gravity increases. Therefore, value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum at pole, which is g is equal to G at pole is G is equal to 9.832 meter per second square. Now, when we go to the equator, at equator, the radius of Earth is maximum. Therefore, as the value of radius increases, here the denominator is increases. Therefore, value of G, acceleration due to gravity, will be decreases, and the value of acceleration due to gravity on the equator is minimum, which is G is equal to 9.78 meter per second square. Therefore, the variation of Earth gravitational acceleration is that the value of Earth gravitational acceleration is maximum at pole, which is 9.832 meter per second square, whereas the value of Earth gravitational acceleration is minimum at equator, which is 9.78 meter per second square.